boys and girls. So now we have to put on our math thinking caps, and today we're going to be talking about geometry. Some of you might remember that geometry is when we talk about shapes. Miss Fix drew some shapes on her whiteboard, and Sammy has come to help us discuss the shapes. I really love shapes, Miss Fix. I think I know almost all the names of your shapes. You think you know the names of my shapes, Sammy? Yes, I think I do. Shall we give it a try? Okay, Sammy, let's give it a try. So I'm looking at my first shape, boys and girls. My first shape has no straight sides. They are all one big curve. Do you guys remember the name of that shape? I remember it. I know what it is. I know what it is. What is it, Sammy? What do you think that shape is that has no sides? It's a circle. You're right. It is a circle, Sammy. Great job. Our next shape has four square sides, four sides, and 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, and they're all pretty much the same size. Sammy, do you know what a shape that has 4 sides and all the sides are pretty much the same size called? What's that shape called? Square, square, square. You're right, Sammy. It is a square. Do you ever see squares around your house? I have some toy squares that I play with. They're called blocks. Ah, so you have a flat shaped block at your house? Yes, I do. Cool. Our next shape has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, but it still has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boys and girls, can you remember the name of that shape? Mrs. Fix, I can't remember the name of that shape. Well, Sammy, it starts with the sound rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. You're right, Sammy. It is a rectangle. Great job. Now we have a pointy shape. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. 3 sides. Could it be a triangle? You're right, Sammy. It is a triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides makes a triangle. I see the next shape. Sometimes people have that kind of shape on a ring. A ring? You're right, Sammy. Sometimes they have a ring with that shape. It is called a diamond. You're right. Some people do call it a diamond. But sometimes we also call that shape a rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And it's kind of like a square that's kind of been turned. Look at that one, Sammy. That is a tricky shape. That shape looks kind of like a little house. Do you know the name of that shape? I think it starts with the sound P. I just can't remember the name of the shape. Well, you're right. It does begin with the sound P. It's called a pentagon. This is a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Yes, Sammy, and you're right. It does have 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it looks like a house. Now, Sammy, I'm going to tell you something. This last shape, I had a hard time drawing it. I will tell you some qualities of it, though. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's a shape that starts with the letter H, which says Does anybody remember the name of that shape? I think it's called a hexagon. You're right, Sammy. It is called a hexagon. So we have a circle, circle, square, square, rectangle, rectangle, triangle, triangle, rhombus, rhombus, pentagon, pentagon. That's a long word, Mrs. Fax. Yes, Sammy, pentagon is a long word. Let's say it again. Pentagon, pentagon. And our last shape is a hexagon. Hexagon. Cool lesson, Mrs. Fax. Sammy, I have a job for you today. You're going to go into your house and find some of these same shapes that we talked about today. Miss Fax has posted a kind of riddle treasure hunt. Talks about things like find in your house a shape that has no sides. So when I say a shape that has no sides, what do I actually mean? You mean a circle. You're right, Sammy. I do mean a circle. What if I told you I need you to find something in your house that is in the shape that has 3 sides? What shape has 3 sides, Sammy? A triangle. You're right. Are you going to search your house, Sammy, to find some of these things so that you can show me what you found in your house with these shapes on them? I sure am, Mrs. Fax. I hope the boys and girls will look around their houses too. I really want to find out what you have in your house that is the same as some of these shapes. Talk to you later, boys and girls. Bye.